Welcome back to the Auto Chapter, guys. Today we're diving into one of the most anticipated supercars of the decade, the 2026 Ferrari F80. This is not just another Ferrari. It's a statement of power, innovation, and pure Italian passion. The F80 is designed to push the limits of what's possible on both road and track, blending extreme performance with next-generation technology and breathtaking design. So buckle up, because this review is going to take you on a thrilling ride through the future of Ferrari. The exterior of the 2026 Ferrari F80 is nothing short of a masterpiece. Ferrari has managed to make it look both aggressive and elegant at the same time. The low, sweeping stance instantly signals its racing DNA, while the sculpted aerodynamic lines cut through the air like a blade. At the front, the car features a sharp nose design inspired by Formula One aerodynamics, complete with active air, intakes that adapt to driving, conditions for maximum efficiency and cooling. The LED matrix headlights are slim and futuristic, giving it a predatory gaze on the road. Moving to the sides, you'll notice deep air channels and carbon fiber panels that not only enhance the look, but also improve downforce and airflow. The rear design is perhaps the most dramatic part. A massive diffuser, quad exhaust setup, and a sleek LED light bar stretching across the tail give it a spaceship-like appearance. The overall body is built using lightweight carbon fiber and aluminum, keeping the weight low and balance perfect for high-speed control. Every inch of the F80 is designed to serve both form and function, making it one of the most beautiful and aerodynamic Ferraris ever made. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Ferrari F80 truly redefines the term supercar. Under the hood lies a hybrid V8 engine paired with an electric motor, producing a combined output of around 1,200 horsepower. That's right, 1,200 horses of pure adrenaline. This incredible powertrain allows the F80 to rocket from 0 to 60 mph in just 2.0 seconds, with a top speed exceeding 230. Ferrari has tuned the hybrid system to provide instant torque delivery, ensuring that every touch of the accelerator feels electric. Literally. The advanced dual-clutch transmission provides lightning-fast gear shifts, while the all-wheel drive system offers impeccable traction and control in any condition. The handling is sharper than ever thanks to Ferrari's new adaptive suspension system, which adjusts automatically based on road surface and driving style. Whether you're carving corners on a mountain road or tearing up a racetrack, the F80 feels like an extension of your body. Ferrari engineers have also focused on sustainability, making this hybrid setup more efficient while maintaining that signature Ferrari roar that sends chills down your spine. It's a perfect blend of emotion, precision, and futuristic engineering. Stepping inside the 2026 Ferrari F80 feels like entering a cockpit designed for a jet pilot. The interior is minimalistic yet highly futuristic, with every detail focused on driving experience. The steering wheel features integrated controls for driving modes, suspension settings, and even the hybrid system. The driver's display is a curved, digital screen that provides real-time performance data, speed, and power distribution. The center console is sleek and uncluttered, emphasizing Ferrari's less is more philosophy. Premium Alcantara, carbon fiber, and fine Italian leather dominate the cabin, offering a luxurious yet race-ready atmosphere. The seats are ultra-lightweight, racing buckets that provide exceptional support during high-speed maneuvers. Ambient lighting and digital controls add a modern flair, while the advanced infotainment system keeps you connected without distracting from the drive. Ferrari's craftsmanship shines through every stitch and surface, making the F80's interior both functional and beautiful. Now, let's talk about the price. The 2026 Ferrari F80 doesn't come cheap, but then again, legends never do. The starting price is expected to be around $3 million, making it one of the most expensive and exclusive Ferraris ever produced. Only a limited number of units will be made, ensuring that each one becomes an instant collector's item. For that price, though, you're not just buying a car. You're investing in a piece of automotive history, a symbol of innovation and performance that stands at the top of Ferrari's legacy. Overall, the 2026 Ferrari F80 represents the perfect fusion of art and technology. It captures the soul of classic Ferrari design while embracing the future. With hybrid power and cutting-edge aerodynamics. It's fast, it's fierce, and it's unforgettable. A car that pushes every boundary known to automotive engineering. Whether you're a hardcore car enthusiast or simply someone who appreciates the best of the best, the F80 will leave you speechless. That's it for today's review of the 2026 Ferrari F80. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Ferrari's latest masterpiece, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next review. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.